Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're baking some blondies. Yep, these blondies are so sweet because it comes with butterscotch chips and it's so easy to make. It's for beginners. So first we have to brown our butter and make sure we have all the ingredients. We have a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, an egg, melted butter, almond, and vanilla essence, and your butterscotch chips. Okay, so we're going to start with beating the egg. So you beat the egg. Ooh, nice nails, Regina. Okay, and then just beat the egg. So you will really see that this recipe is very easy because it will take you less than 10 minutes to put all the ingredients together. Okay, then next we add our sugar. Oh no, I'm sorry, our butter. So this is like the brown butter, right? And then we mix it a little bit, and then we add our brown sugar. So actually this recipe is our recipe and we didn't copy it with anybody's recipe because we want it to be easy. That's all that matters, right? And then we add our 1 cup of flour. Before you mix that, I remember you showed me that I need to put my vanilla first. So let us have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Can't open it. Sorry, I'm not really a baker, so please, no judgment, please. Okay, there you go. And then the almond essence, and that will be just 1/2 teaspoon. The vanilla was 1 teaspoon, and this time the vanilla almond essence will be 1/2 teaspoon. Then we mix it all together. Mix it gently. Next time, maybe I can provide you with proper way, but this will be our first video to make something. So please forgive me for that. You see, we're in our 3-minute video now, and I wasn't pausing or I wasn't stopping, so this recipe is really easy. Then after that, we want to make sure that we have folded the ingredients, the wet and the dry ingredients. We already folded them together, and then we are going to add the magic, which is okay, so we are going to add your butterscotch chips. Yeah, and it goes there. And then you are going to just fold it gently, as when they come together, that's I guess that's too much, but anyways, who doesn't like butterscotch? I can't be friends with you if you don't like butterscotch chips. Okay, Regina is laughing. Okay, and then you're ready to put it in your pan. Yes, and see, it's just 1 cup of everything actually. And maybe our butterscotch was too much, but anyways. And then there you go. You have your your blondies ready to go to the oven. The oven has to be in 180 degrees Celsius, and then have it there for like 30. Okay, then now our oven is ready. It's preheated. So I just put your blondies in and hit start. Sorry, I changed it to 20 minutes first. I changed my mind. And let's get back. Okay, so there's 24 seconds to the clock, but I think this one needed more time to cook, so let me do it to add more 10 minutes to it. So the first estimate was right. We will try to bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, so we're going to check. Yeah, needs more time. So another 10 minutes. And there you go. Okay, and let's try if this is ready. Let's insert the toothpick, and if it's clean, then it's ready to go. Maybe no, not at all. Okay, so let's give it another 10 minutes. I don't need 10 minutes. So that's a total of 40 minutes now. But again, it really depends on your oven. I guess mine is not that, I don't know, not that hot. But it's 180 degrees Celsius, so let's see. Okay, so 10 seconds to go, and I'm showing you the beautiful nails of my friend Regina. And you're going to insert a toothpick, and let's see if it's ready. It has to be ready because it's been here for like 40 minutes now. And yes, it's ready because it came out clean. And you don't want to burn yourself, so we need to use okay, so you need a pot holder because of course you're not stupid. You know it's gonna be hot, right? Okay, so we're going to try to cool it down. Careful. Oh yes, I did. Okay. Okay, then there you go. We have to cool this down for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it to this wire rack to cool it completely. And then I will show you how it looks like when we cut it. Let's go. Okay, then after cooling it down for a little bit, you are just going to transfer this. So see, it's so easy to lift it off, and see, the pan is so clean. And we're going to wait for about maybe an hour for this to cool down completely. It has to cool down completely before you cut them. Okay, so we're back. And when your blondies are completely cool, you want to transfer it in what's this? A cutting board. There you go. Thanks, Ridge. Okay, so we transfer it to the cutting board. And then you want to maybe cut it into like, how many centimeters? You know, bite size. There you go. Maybe 4. Cut in the middle first, in the center, and then cut in the center again. And you will be left with a bite size. you the crisp when... Oh, yummy. It's crispy, crispy, crispy. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like. Let's see. This is already cooled down. And see how the butterscotch chips is melting inside, and this is how it looks like. And yeah, I bet this is delicious. I'm gonna try it now. Yum. Yeah. I guess this is worth your, well, you know, it's less than an hour for everything, but I can taste the almond essence, even if it's just a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. And of course, because we have butterscotch chips, that's why it is more delicious. But see, it's melting inside. And I have to warn you that this is really, really sweet. But if my friends actually knows that I am like a sweet tooth, so yeah. I hope you try this recipe, and comment down below if there's something that you want to give me an advice on or anything. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.